how to connect your laptop to a Google TV without any cables. So I'll show you how to wirelessly share your computer screen over to your Google TV. So this is useful if you want to play something like a movie or a video on the big screen on your television. Now to do this, you first need to head over to your Google TV like this, and we're just going to press the settings button on our TV remote, and this is going to bring up your television settings. You then need to scroll down the list of options and go and select Wi-Fi. Now from your TV, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and enabled, and also make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now this needs to be the same Wi-Fi network that you're also connected to on your laptop. So once you've ensured you have a Wi-Fi connection, let's head over to our computer. Now from your computer, click on the Wi-Fi symbol at the bottom of the screen, and obviously make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you're connected to on your Google TV. Now once you've done this, you can go and open up an internet browser on your computer, and then you can head over to the website or the video you want to share over to your television. So this could be YouTube, or it could be just a random website. Now once you have the web page open, you can click on these three vertical dots. You can then scroll down the page and click on Cast, Save and Share. Now press the Cast button, and as long as your TV and your laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, you should be able to see your TV from the list like this. So just go and click on your television to connect to the device, and that should automatically share your screen over to the TV. Now if you click on the drop down next to sources, you can choose to either cast your entire screen, or you can just cast the specific web browser you have open. Now a second way to do this is you can also come down to the Wi-Fi symbol at the bottom of the page. You can then scroll down the list of options and select Cast, and you can also connect to your TV from this window here.